Next video. In today's video of our pet healthcare application, I will design this pet health screen in swiftui. So yeah, let's get started. So what I have done is that, so here you can see we have already designed this screen last time. So once if the user clicks on contact vet or check food or whistle, the user will be directed to the pet health screen which I have created over here. I have created medical records as well, and one more thing which I have created is the explore. Like for now I am just showing this Apple map, and I decided to use Apple map because it is free. Like for Google map you have to obtain the API key and all, but if you are interested in Google map you can watch my jetpack compose video as well. So yeah, let's get started. So what you will have to do is firstly, inside your content view over here, make sure this is the main view, and inside main view over here I have added an explore view over here. So if you check my explore view, I have created an explore folder inside that explore view, and here I am just setting some ML coordinate region for now. Like I have just hard coded it for now, and just import map kit, and I am just using the map swiftui widget and just passing the coordinate region to this. So that's how simple it is to display a map. Now for the pet health screen, firstly define a pet health, and what I have done inside that I have taken a state depending on what kind of button is selected. So if you check over here whether the wellness or the medical record has been selected, and next I have created a pet health app bar reusable component, and if the button selected is index is 0, then show pet wellness. If not, then show pet medical records. And navigation bar back button hidden is true. Now to how to navigate from profile to pet health is what I have done. If you go to the profile view, okay, let me see. Profile card, profile status. So firstly you will have to wrap your profile view inside navigation stack. Next, if you go to profile status item, here you can see instead of the button I am using a navigation link, and the destination is pet health. So that's how simple navigation is. And this is the main pet health screen where I am just referencing those reusable components which I have created. And if you see the top bar button, here I have just taken a text with a foreground color, the font as well as the underline. So this wellness and medical record text, and the pet health app bar, the top app bar which you see. So I have just extracted the image from Figma, and here I am using some environment variables so that once you click on this button it will dismiss and redirect to the previous screen. And this is the button selected index binding. So this is the h tag for it. So first one is the button which is an image, and second one is the text with a spacer in it, and below that I have taken an h tag again with a spacer, and this is our top bar button. On and on click the index is 0, and here the index is 1, and I have just applied some padding as well over here and background color. Next, inside pet wellness, if you check, so I have taken a v stack, and I have added a pet health header label, and here I have just taken a text of Constant's vaccination. I have created 2 item card as well, like this first one for rabies vaccination, and I have given the same text for this as well, but you can change the text to whatever you want. And I have added an overlay of rounded rectangle. So this entire overlay which you see, so this is for that. Same thing for below as well, because the UI is almost the same. And for the last one I have just added a text with appointments, and I have added some text as well which is present inside Figma. And lastly a button as well with some text, and I added some overlay to display the border for it. Now inside pet medical records, so this one I am using the same thing, So I have added a VStack with all the reusable components, and again a VStack with all the reusable components. Only this text allergies has been added extra. Again, like this should be a list, but right now I have just taken like hard coded all the values. Once we have an API ready for this, we will fetch it from the server. Next, I have added a pet health header label. So this is the label for it. So firstly is the text, and secondly I've added a spacer, and depending on if show see all is true or not, we are showing the see all text as well as the image. And last one is the pet health item card. So we will require 3 texts. So I have named it a title, subtitle and name. So I have taken those inside a VStack and just normal 3 text, and I have added a padding as well as an overlay to this, and a shadow and a padding bottom. So yeah, that's it.